shoulder mobility drill around the world. Taking your dowel rod with a wide grip, placing it on your hip crease, you're going to bring one hand down close to the hip pocket while the other arm comes up and over, maintaining straight elbows until you can come all the way around to the back. Then we come around with the other arm back to your beginning position. Switch sides, leading with the opposite arm. Maintain a neutral spine so we don't lean around or bend the elbows. Elbows stay straight and the torso stays nice and stable.